We got a good friend Christian bring this EG hatch in. What's up? What's up, man?
Look how clean this thing is.
I know, it looks.
Don't mind the missing corner light.
What's that?
I said, don't mind the missing corner light.
Wait, what's your horsepower goal in this car? Like,
Right now I was making just 600 horsepower.
600. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
It's like that's the sweet spot for an all-wheel drive street car.
Yeah, it's a street car. That's right.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Because over 1,000, that's too. It's.
You're not driving it, dude.
Yeah.
Over 1,000, you're not driving it.
You're trying to
every day.
control it.
Correct.
It's not that you break
Hey, you don't say that.
I mean, I wouldn't mind 800 for the street.
Even that, 800. To be honest with you,
See.
you're not gonna be driving it every day. People tell you, "Oh yeah, I'll drive it every day," but it doesn't last. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
You know.
Honestly, it's just a weekend car. Like,
That's
yeah,
exactly it. Yeah, weekend car. Yeah.
Nice, nice. How long you had it?
About a year and a half.
A year and a half? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So most of the work you did by yourself, but we're just finishing up for you.
Correct.
The things welding, stuff like that. All right, cool, man. Glad to meet you. Thanks
Yes,
for
sir.
thanks for choosing us. I mean, choosing him again because he's the OG.
No, us, man.
This is where everything came from.
No.
General. We're just a little corporal, you know. It's a general.
Don't promote you. You ain't no corporal.
Oh, a corporal.
Private.
Yeah, private. Yeah, private.
No, but he's
the
in.
lowest of low.
But he's in the Navy, and I'm gonna leave that out.
No.
What's
I'm
in
not
the
a
Navy?
Navy. I'm not a Navy guy.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Just running that fuel tech. Nice. Oh, so you're going with Wago?
Yeah.
Yep. Do it one time done. One time done. As Chad would say, one time done. Rear CB joints, drive shaft. So guys, he looked like he's definitely started already. Started banging up the top. Now Chansey and the Warhog is on it.
That's gonna be a pain to fit.
So you gotta cut a little more.
Yeah, so I'm gonna cut it a little bit more. This is notched out, but it's not quite. This one, obviously, we got all the clearance we need, but this one's gonna be difficult. Like if you ever had to, change out your diff or anything, because see, it has to go in at an angle. But this diff is gonna be straight across here. So what I'm gonna do is grind this back a little bit, just to the point of where this bolt will be able to fit flush there, so that you can slide it right through. And then he already went ahead and banged up the top here, as you can see, because he got us a drive shaft measurement so that we can make that. So today, basically, we're going to be mounting the diff back up and welding in the top bar, and then welding in the carrier bearing brackets and mounting the drive shaft for him.
All right, cool. See, guys, you can actually start your all-wheel drive process at home. You can put your, get your transmission in, get your arms in. Run the stubbies so the bearings don't mess up in there, and build it for us. Do everything like this and then bring it to us. Got the diff up there, marking everything up. You see the sides are cut, steady as she goes. Up top's already banged up. Next we're gonna clean off the sides, put an upper brace in, drive shaft CV. Yep, let's go. Get ready to tack this, tacking up. Nice welds, all welded up now by the world famous, Jit. So guys, after you get everything welded and you put it back up, first thing you do is tighten the bolts so you can then weld it up.
First thing is after you basically get everything in place, make sure you use a pole jack and get the diff centered where you want it. Then go ahead and tack this plate, tack the end plates, and then take it down and then just weld that on the table. But see how they're angled so that it goes right along with the frame rail. It might have a little bit of slope at certain spots, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna tack it in here. We're gonna heat it up, do a little stitch there, and then hammer it. And then with that heat, it's gonna allow it to bend flat. Yeah.
Nice.
Will this reach over the top like this?
Chad is welding in the bar onto the chassis, and after that we're going to spray it up to prevent rust, and next will be the drive shaft. Diff is back up, everything is sprayed up right here and welded.
Right here.
Sprayed and welded, axles in. We're going to put the fluid in this thing, put the drive shaft up next, and the customer is good to go. Quickly, swiftly. Extra brace, even more extra brace. Drive shaft going up, drive shaft is going up, guys. Next thing we're going to weld these sparks right here, then it's a wrap.
You already have them? Yeah.
Alright guys, we're coming to the end right now. Coming to the end. Everything's up. Everything's up. Drive shaft is up. Welding on the billet carrier bearings right there. Chance out the control. After that, it's go time. Another one, guys. Customer is very happy.
Okay, so we just got done with Kristen's car. You can see you got the wagon and then all the billet, stuff here. Carrier bearing, brackets, the 60K on axles.
Axles are up.
But what I really wanted to show you guys about our Alpha 6 arms here compared to the OEM. As you can see here, he's running a 225 50/15. I think this is 15 by 8, I believe it is.
15 by 7.
By 7, okay, 15 by 7. Look how much clearance that you have here. So if you're using OEM arm, most likely this right here will be touching OEM. You have to use like a 5mm spacer. But this one here, no spacers, and it clears. You can probably run even
a little bit
bigger,
more wide,
wider if you wanted to, So,
oh, yep. If you want, grab there.
same location as OEM.
Or
You can
Alpha
see.
6, whether it be the Alpha 6 or the Alpha 6 Lite.
Yep.
Good to go.
Got the mind of scaling times. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of scaling times. S1 all-wheel drive.
Alright man, like how it looks, everything good?
Yeah.
You gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of scaling times.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of scaling times.
Them wheels are always
We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. You get behind the wheel, build it your Honda's built. It's military grade, but this is not a drill. It's American made, but we all will drive the world. I see them changing the game, that's when always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all will indeed, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation, watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, all wheels gripping pavement. S1, you gon' want a test run. All wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, you gon' want a test run. All wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, all wheel drive, got the mind of scaling times. S1, all wheel drive, got the mind of scaling times. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all wheel drive, got the mind of scaling times.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1, all wheel drive, got the mind of scaling times.
Them wheels are always
We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. Even on the straights, yeah, warming up that A6. In Florida got the street cred, roaring down the street quick. Got that MSD switch, B series or a ZC, and that LSV tech, hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at. Yeah, we go to Mexico, racing for the pink slips, and ain't no 12 to catch us. So K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20 MR2 and SXCRX with the K24. Reppin' that EF, go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX, before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that camcorder that's
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind that's killing time. All-wheel gripping, 4-4, gripping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind that's killing time.
we'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind that's killing time.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind that's killing time.
Them wheels are always
We'll have you
gripping.
gripping, don't get